So let's now code the logic for the rest of this test. So we're always going to start with pages, right? Dot membership page, right? Because there, and then we need to click the edit button. And let me just double check what it was called, just to be sure. It's very nice to model edit profile, to model your page objects correctly. So my membership dot edit profile, and then that. And then after we click the edit profile button, we need to check that we are at the edit profile page, which by the way is in the second tab. So we will need to handle that. So pages dot, what are we going to call this? Profile page, edit profile dot is at, and of course let me do an assertion is true, pages dot edit profile page dot is at, and then we need a message if that fails. So that message is going to be the user was not able to view the edit profile page. That's going to be our message. So now the compiler is complaining that my membership page does not contain a definition for edit profile and no extension method. So therefore let's write one. So using my resharper, I can do that with Alt Enter, and then it's going to give me options. For you guys, you can do that with Control period with Visual Studio, and it's going to do the same thing. And then I'm going to do create method. Yup, let me create that method. And this will be a public void. And then it's called edit profile. And now all we have to do is let's just use the browser class to find our elements. So we are going to need the edit profile button. So here I'm going to do browser.driver.find element. And how did we decide we were going to find it? Was by link text called edit profile. By the way, guys, if you don't understand anything about these identifiers, please go ahead and watch the advanced object identification tutorial where I spend a ton of time teaching you guys how to identify objects so that you guys can be amazing at it. So if you're confused, you can go there and you will know every single one of these identifiers and how to use them correctly. And of course, I need to remove that and that. Let me get that back. Awesome. All right, that was a little bit messy because I can't multitask, talk, and type at the same time. So let me just finish typing and then explain. Awesome. And so now we're just going to click on the edit profile button. We have the edit profile here, and then we're going to click on it. And then we go back to our test. And now it's complaining that there is no edit profile page. So let's go ahead and create it. Alt Enter, create nested type. It's actually going to be a property. There it is. It's going to do the same thing. This object is going to be edit profile page, edit profile, and then it's only going to have a getter, and that is going to return, and that's going to return an edit profile page, right? This get page going to return my edit profile page, and of course we don't have an edit profile page existing, so now we need to create it.